Hi all, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to share with you some information about the CNC. It has been a while. I was busy with other stuff, other projects. I have to work with the steady rest. I have also some customer things to do. I have a new machine to make, so pretty busy here. But I can give you a quick overview of the CNC machine here. So there is some, let's say, big things remaining to do, and also some slight or light things to do. So for the big remaining things that I need to do to finish this machine, the first one is the milling head. So the design is okay. I already shared with you some design information about the way it will be done. I have also to buy the ball screw for the 3 axes. I do not really made a choice at this time. I need to make some calculation, and I'm not sure if I will take some 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch ball screw. So I need to go further with the torque of the motors and so on. But it will be either 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch ball screws. Also, I will have to install the ball screw and also the linear rails. I will buy in the same time with the ball screws. It's more easy to to be okay with the dimension. I also have to install the electrical cabinet, and the design is done. I will share with you also the design. There is some things to know about the way to design electrical cabinet, especially for this kind of machine, because you have high power currents, you have low power currents, you have high frequency, low frequency, and it could be a big mess if you do not the thing properly. So I will make one or two special video about this this part of the project. Also, I will have some wiring to make between the CNC machine here and the sensor, the electrical cabinet. So some wiring need to be done. And also, from a mechanical point of view, I have the milling table. The design is okay, but there is some work to do about the milling table. It will be also the Y axis that supports the Y, and that is also remaining for now, and it will be the next step, and maybe the next video that I will share with you is to finish the X and the Z plates transfer hole. So I put it in place, the column here on the base, but there is some holes to transfer, and there is some tapping operation. And as you can see, the machine is pretty big. There is a lot of handling each time. I need to make some tapping operation and so on. So I think about a way to do the thing in a shorter and more easier way. Because each time you make a hole on a plate, you have to remove everything and to to make the drilling operation, the tapping, and so on. So it takes quite long, and the idea is to make this kind of tapping directly on the machine, on the column, on the base. So I was stuck for a while because I ordered a new piece of equipment, and it just arrived yesterday. So I was busy yesterday to finish the stuff, but I will share with you this new piece of equipment, and it will save a lot of time for making the transfer hole and also the tapping and the drilling. So I could have used it before, but it was not necessary in the previous tape. As I already mentioned, it was not needed or required. Now, linked to the weight of those things and the time it can take to move the thing around, and it's more easy to work directly on the machine if you can. So I will show you in the next video for the next week the piece of equipment I bought to make the next step, and we'll make also some testing. So I will first make an unboxing video to share with you the type of equipment I bought, and we'll also make some testing with the new equipment. So thank you guys. I will see you next week for a new video, and you can see further step about that, and I will also prepare some video about the design of the electrical cabinet, so you can have a good picture in the mind. So see you for the next episode.